Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Sriteja, and in this episode, we're going to be diving into a world teeming with life. And that world is none other than your microbiome. Trust me, it's definitely way cooler than it sounds, so hopefully you're ready to find out why you're only half human. Alright, so let's go. Did you know that there's a bustling community of 38 trillion, 38 trillion microorganisms living in and on your body? Imagine your own personal microscopic megacities just living in your gut where most of these bacteria live. But rather than your gut, you can find your microbiome in places like your mouth, skin, and even your armpits. They make up about half of you by cell count. That sounds pretty crazy just from the surface level. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Because I said bacteria, you guys might think it's some sort of bad thing. Actually, that's a huge misconception. Out of the trillions of bacterial species, only fewer than 100 are actually harmful to humans. The rest are either harmless or super helpful for you. So you don't need to grab the hand sanitizer just yet. Here's something cool. You don't just inherit your genes from your parents. You also get your microbiome from your mom too. This process, called seeding, starts at birth through the vaginal canal, skin-to-skin contact, as well as breastfeeding. As you grow, your environment shapes your microbiome, like the dirt you play in, the pets you've petted, the siblings you live with, the house that you live in. All of these things play a role. So, what do these bacteria actually do? And what don't they do? Several things. First of all, in your gut, they help maintain the integrity of your gut barrier, which makes it really tough for harmful bacteria to break through. Second, they break down complex carbohydrates and produce essential vitamins. They even help with digestion too. And here's a fun fact. Some bacteria produce neurotransmitters that stimulate muscle contractions, which means they help you poop. Your gut barrier is like the ultimate bouncer at a club, and it only lets in the good stuff. It's made up of a single layer of epithelial cells and mucus all throughout your digestive system. And if it gets damaged, you'll get a leaky gut, and all sort of unwanted guests sneak into your bloodstream, causing issues like inflammation and allergies and other illnesses you don't want. Just like our fingerprints, no two people have the same exact microbiome. Factors like diet, exercise, medicine, and even sleep can change your microbiome every single day. Think of it like Earth's ecosystems. They constantly evolve, but they basically have like the same essential functions. So, how do you keep your microbiome in tip-top shape? Well, we don't really know what a perfect microbiome looks like, but instead you should focus on making choices that support your bacteria. So you should keep asking yourself, is this antibiotic necessary? Or am I eating foods that feed my gut bacteria? Understanding your microbiome changes everything. We're not just human, we're superorganisms, half human, half microbial. And this new perspective calls for a fresh approach to health and wellness.